Hello everyone. In the manufacturing of synthetic nitrogenous fertilizers, we take the manufacturing of ammonium nitrate by Stengel process. Now, ammonium nitrate contains about 33% of nitrogen. Ammonium plants are generally operated wherein the ammonia plant and nitric acid plant are already operating over there, because ammonia and nitric acid are the raw materials which are used for the manufacturing of ammonium nitrate. So for the Stengel process, we take ammonia that is obtained from the Haber's process and nitric acid which can be obtained by the oxidation of ammonia as a raw materials. The reaction that occurs is nitric acid on reaction with ammonia gives the formation of ammonium nitrate, and then after it is to be converted into a solid fertilizer form. This reaction is an exothermic process wherein the heat is liberated. Delta H is negative 20.6 kilocalories. So the heat already is released, so we don't need to give further more temperature for the reaction to occur. Now, in the Stengel process, we take the superheated vapors of ammonia that is heated at around 145 degrees Celsius and preheated concentrated nitric acid that is heated at around 170 degrees Celsius. These two are heated at the temperatures given and then are taken into a reactor, that is a packed tower. So, in this packed tower, these two, that is nitric acid and ammonia, gets reacted and gives the formation of liquid ammonium nitrate. So the solution of ammonium nitrate now is passed into a cyclone separator. This helps to separate the ammonium nitrate liquid from the steam. So the air is blown through this melt of the ammonium nitrate, and hence we get the product of ammonium nitrate which contains only around 0.25% of moisture. After that, the melt, that is of the ammonium nitrate, is passed into a prilling tower wherein the cool air is passed from the bottom and from the top of the prilling tower through the spray nozzles. These are cooled because of the breakdown of the liquid, and hence the uniform sized prills are obtained of the ammonium nitrate. These prills are then dried, coated and taken to a packing plant, and then after it is stored. So generally we say the coating is done because ammonium nitrate we know is explosive. So we add chalk or calcium carbonate and we prepare this, that is a nitro chalk, we say, the mixture of ammonium nitrate and calcium carbonate. Now this is the diagram showing the synthesis process of the ammonium nitrate for the Stengel process. Here we see the heater for the ammonia. So the heated ammonia, that is around 145 degrees Celsius, it is heated, and the steam is passed for the heating of the nitric acid. So nitric acid heater and ammonia heater, both these are heated at the required temperature. These two are taken into a reactor. So we get the formation of liquid ammonium nitrate. This is taken into a cyclone separator. So water vapor goes out from the top and the liquid ammonium nitrate is then after taken to the prilling, or we say drum crystallizer. Then after it is, so that we get the uniform size solid prills of that ammonium nitrate fertilizer. After that it is to be dried and coated, and after that it is taken for the packaging and stored. So this is the Stengel method for manufacturing ammonium nitrate fertilizer. Thank you.